you're full of it. What's your real name? That's not even the right name, date of birth for that, so you're lying to me. Just give me your name, dude. That's all I'm asking.
My name.
Step out. Do you have any guns on you? Before you step out, you tell me right now, sir.
No guns on me at all.
Step out.
A driver, a warning stop, a fake name. What happens next costs him everything.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You can't cross through that. That's illegal. That's safety zone.
What you mean?
Back there, when you turn through the...
Can I? How about
No,
so you
you
can
can't.
show me? I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. The lines that are crossed like this, you're actually going into oncoming traffic right there.
The trailer. Did you see the trailer?
I saw the trailer.
Okay.
You have to wait. No, you went. I was sitting there watching you, sir. In fact, the truck in front of you did it too. I was about to pull him over until you pulled in behind him. I'm not writing you a ticket, dude.
Okay,
But that's here's the reason I'm doing it is because it's the #1 cause of collisions in this city. Is that right there?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license?
I don't have it on me.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
And your first name?
Yes.
What's your date of birth?
Nah.
Well, how do you have to think about your birthday?
Well, because
Here's the deal. You don't have your license.
I got my.
If you don't have a driver's license, dude, I'm not taking you to jail. I just need to. If you're bull me.
No, I'm not. That I'm.
This who you are.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'll write you a warning.
I really, reason why I was pulling in here, I really do need to use the bathroom. I got a heart condition.
Okay.
And
Here,
if
this takes me a second.
I don't,
This takes me just a second, dude. Just a second.
The stop was valid. In Whren versus United States, decided in 1996, the Supreme Court held that any personally observed traffic violation is sufficient grounds for a stop. Officer intent and infraction severity are legally irrelevant. The officer asked only for a name and date of birth. In Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, decided in 2004, the Supreme Court held that states may compel name disclosure during a lawful stop without implicating the 4th or 5th Amendments. A false name is not a protected right. It is a separate criminal act. The driver returned no record, then gave conflicting birth years. In Illinois versus Gates, decided in 1983, the court defined probable cause as a reasonable belief, not certainty. Every false answer independently met that standard. The exit order was valid under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977. The pat-down was valid under Terry versus Ohio, 1968. Unverified identity alone justified the officer's safety frisk. The driver admitted on camera he lied because he feared a suspended license. That admission established mens rea under Oklahoma statutes, Title 21, Section 1533B, knowingly providing false identification to law enforcement, a criminal misdemeanor. A suspended license is a civil matter. Identity obstruction is criminal. He chose the greater harm to avoid the lesser one.
Dude, you're full of it. What's your real name? That's not even the right name, date of birth for that, so you're lying to me. Just give me your name, dude. That's all I'm asking.
My name.
Step out. Do you have any guns on you? Before you step out, you tell me right now, sir.
No guns on me at all.
Step out.
Just keep your hands out. All right, you're good. Relax.
Relax. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm relaxed.
Do you have an ID in here?
I don't have no ID on me. You can check my back pockets. I don't have no ID on me.
Nope. Just up here.
You were so wrong. You were so wrong on who you are. I asked him to.
Put your hands behind you. Just relax.
Okay.
Relax.
I really do need to use the bathroom.
You're fine. I'm just telling you.
I got a heart condition.
Stop moving for me.
Okay.
I'm
Well,
trying to
this would have been taken care of. Is all you had to do was tell me who you really are.
Okay.
Hey,
I'm being relaxed. I'm talking to him.
I know, but you can talk without turning. Just leave your body
What's your
straight right here.
What is your last name, sir?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your date of birth?
February the 8th.
What's your birthday?
He did this on the first one he gave me.
I'm nervous. I got to use the bathroom. I got a heart condition.
You got us nervous. So what's the deal?
Okay, I'm gonna search your car. Take him back there because I don't
have no ID on me. I'm telling you.
Well, I think
This
you're lying.
is my girlfriend's car.
Okay. Well, you're still lying to me.
I'm not.
That was the first one.
Just run it.
Yeah.
That's right.
Here, walk back with me here.
find
Walk back here.
No.
No, we're gonna find a driver's license.
Uh-huh.
Are we gonna find a driver's license?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just trying to figure out who you are. I was this literally.
serious.
Hold on. Even if you were, listen to me. Even if you were suspended or something like that, I was just going to let you. I was going to write you a warning and be done and tell you not to drive. But when you lied to me, I have issues with it, sir. That's a judge. That is a. I don't like being lied to. I'm sure you don't like being lied to either.
Sir, I'm telling you.
Okay. Well, you told me the first time that who you were. So we're just gonna. I'm just gonna try to confirm who you are.
Why'd you lie the first time? I'm telling you, this is my girlfriend's car.
Okay.
Why did you
I
lie
just-
the first time, man? That's what I'm asking.
Dude, I've been doing this a long time. I don't.
Why did you do that? Why did you do the first time? What are you
Because I
worried
was
about?
scared.
Okay, but what are you scared of? So let's go one step further. What are
Because-
you worried about?
My license.
Okay, so your license.
I don't know.
But you think it is, or
Yes.
okay?
And that's
But man,
it.
if you
Can
lie,
I turn around to you?
Yeah,
My
you're
hands
good.
right here.
Yeah, you're good. If you lie, it's worse. You know
I
what
understand.
I mean?
I understand that, sir.
Because then it makes it feel like you're hiding way more than just, oh, my license is suspended.
I'm not hiding nothing.
I know. I'm just
only thing I'm hiding is I'm about ready to on myself.
Yeah.
And
And
only thing I got to use the bathroom. I got a heart condition,
I got you.
and I took my meds.
Yeah.
If I don't, I will on myself.
You took your.
I can't
meds?
hold it. I cannot hold my.
Okay, I got you. Walk over here for me. This way.
Well, if he's gonna let me go, sitting down is not finna. I don't want to nobody's car.
Here.
I don't want you to either. But if I stand up, I'm okay. I sit down, it's gonna be
It's your birthday.
February the 18th. It can't be wrong.
Where's your driver's license out of?
I don't out of Oklahoma.
You have an ID card?
I don't have nothing on me. I just came to fix a tire and that was it.
I'm not asking if you have stuff on you. I'm
I said I
asking, Where do
came-
you have a driver's license out of?
Oklahoma.
Okay, do you have an ID card?
No.
No ID card. You've only had a driver's license?
Yes.
Okay, where you had tickets somewhere?
Yes.
Okay, where'd you have tickets at? What's the address?
I don't remember.
You don't
'Cause
remember your address?
No, because I had two addresses. I'm just, my heart is going crazy.
You're giving me is still the wrong date of birth. So I don't know who you are. I'm telling you the name on here is still the wrong date of birth for that name.
That's you?
Yes.
Well, what is your birthday?
February 18th. 86 or 87.
What do you mean it's either 86 or
It's
87, man?
87. I know it's 87. I'm 30 something years old. I didn't say 82. I didn't
Is
say
that
no 82.
86 or 87?
I didn't say 82.
What you say 87?
Yes.
Because it doesn't exist. Can you just
It
take
doesn't
them?
exist.
We just take them.
What
Yeah.
do you mean it don't exist?
That name don't exist. Your name does not exist with
You just said it.
with the date of birth that you're given.
You're going to my car.
Hold on, sir. What did you say?
way.
Can I talk to him for a second?
He'll talk to you after he's
I'm-
done.
he don't even have to go through all that. That's what I'm trying to see. That's the thing. If I can talk to him,
Have a seat. I'm gonna take you to jail and you'll be able to use the bathroom in like 3 minutes.
we don't even have to go through all that. If
It's
you'll just
already
let me
done.
talk to him,
When you lie, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm telling you.
Now
not
you are
lying.
telling us. Get in, please.
I'm not lying. See, can I talk to him?
No, we're done with the talking. He'll come talk to
Can
you
I
in jail.
talk to a sergeant?
Sure. Well, I'm a sergeant. He's a sergeant. He's a sergeant.
Who's in charge?
You can talk to the supervisor when we
Where's
get to the jail.
supervisor? No, because I want to talk to a supervisor now.
Yes, you'll be able to talk to him, but you're going to jail. So
For what?
So I'll call this for obstruction, for lying.
I'm not lying.
You did lie. You already told me you lied.
Sir,
Scoot in, please.
Sir,
Scoot in, please.
can I talk to the
No.
officer?
Please scoot in.
Can you move
Please
my head
scoot
back?
in. Now,
Can I
all
talk
the
to
way.
the officer real quick?
He's right here. He's gonna come meet you in jail. He's arresting you, so he's gonna come see you.
Okay, man to man.
Please don't make it worse.
I'm
please.
not making it worse.
Let's
I'm
go.
asking you man to man. One last thing.
What's up?
Now, I'm not trying to make it worse. He wants to know who I am.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tell him.
Okay.
But
But he can't find you anywhere. You're a ghost.
I'm
so
not a ghost. I'm right here.
you're a ghost in the system. So what we're gonna do is when you get to the jail, you'll be fingerprinted, and they'll be able to tell exactly who you are.
But
and maybe he just can't find you. But still, you're still going to jail because you're still
I'm trying to
for
tell
obstruction.
him.
I know, but you're still.
But I can't if I go.
You're still going to jail for obstruction, regardless if you told us that who you are. It doesn't matter now.
Why? That
So-
don't make no sense.
It does make sense. Scoot back.
Can I talk to him?
Say what?
Can I talk to him? That's all I want to do is have
No, come
2
on.
minutes.
He's already talked to you, man. Come on.
No, he
Scoot
haven't.
in.
He ran over there and talked to him.
Let's go. So we
I'm
can go.
try-
So I can get you out of here and get you to jail.
Officer.
Okay, it's
I'm
2
trying.
minutes. It's only 2 minutes away.
I know where the
Maybe
jail
you-
is.
Okay, well if you want
I'm
to talk,
trying to talk to him.
I understand. He's already talked to you.
No, he
doesn't
hasn't.
want to talk to you right now.
He didn't
He's
even
doing
talk to
something.
me.
He told me to take you to jail. That's what we're gonna do. So let's
Sir,
scoot in.
Sir,
Come on, man.
he said.
You're just delaying.
I'm not delaying nothing. I'm trying
Why?
to talk to you.
You can talk to me. We can get in the jet. We can get in the car together and talk. Let's go.
Sir, well, these cuffs, can you do something
No,
about these cuffs?
can't do anything about the cuffs. When we
Sir,
get to jail,
sir.
you'll get them off.
Sir.
No.
Look, they
Anthony.
biting him.
In custody, the driver reported cardiomyopathy and near syncope. In City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, decided in 1983, the Supreme Court held that the 14th Amendment requires officers to provide medical care to detainees in need without exception. Prior deception is not a factor. EMS was called immediately. The constitutional duty was met. Result, 5 charges: resisting an officer, driving while suspended, drug paraphernalia, marijuana possession, and the original traffic violation. A warning with 0 consequence became a criminal arrest.
I got a heart condition. If I have a heart attack right now, because the cuffs is cutting off the wrist,
The cuffs aren't cutting off your wrist circulation.
You know what?
Your
I am.
cuffs aren't cutting them off.
I am.
You are what?
I'm my anxiety, my chest is hurting.
Okay.
Because now you're upsetting me.
Yeah.
Because you won't let me talk.
We've already talked to you, Anthony. You just
and I
want to
told
keep
you-
talking.
And I don't want to keep talking. I'm trying.
Stand up.
You know what? Don't worry about
Stand
it.
up
When I
and turn
pass
around.
out in your drunk, I'm gonna pass out out
I
here.
said stand up and turn around so I can look at your cuffs for you.
I'm gonna pass out.
You gotta move that foot. Yep. You got it. There you go. All right. Up.
Hold
There
on.
we go.
Hold on.
You're good.
Hold on.
Yeah, you're fine. You're working yourself up though. You just don't. You're not listening, bud.
You may want to call ambulance.
Huh?
You may want to call ambulance.
You gonna call?
You may.
Hold on.
Yeah, call ambulance.
It says he has a heart condition and he is passing out. You're how old? 38? Can you stand up? Anthony, can you stand up or no? Huh? No? Okay. Will you sit up for me real quick? Here, sit like this. Lean right there. Stop pushing on me. Lean right there.
I'm pushing on.
You are. You're leaning forward.
I'm not pushing.
Try to lean to the
I
side.
can't.
Ambulance is here. Can you sit up for me so fire can look at you? Yeah, you gotta sit up. Sit up. Hey, you gotta sit up, man. Sit up. There you go. Sit up so fire can come. So fire can come look at you. Hold on. Hello. This says he has heart problems. Hey, this fire department here, they're trying to talk to you. Okay, are you able to talk to him? Can you tell him what's going on?
I got cardiomyopathy.
He said he has cardiomyopathy.
Okay.
My chest is hurting.
Your chest's hurt. When did that start?
And you want me to try to sit him over
I mean,
somewhere else?
what's going on?
Traffic. Okay.
Your chest? I need his hands.
Yeah.
Fire station. Yellow Fire Station 2, pulled in by
Are you able to stand up so I can get you out of the car? Or no? Huh? You can't stand up?
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Okay. You can't. So we can help you get out. So they can sit you over here. All right, lean forward. Anthony, lean forward.
Come on, dude.
Hey, lift your head up for me, bud.
What's the problem? What do you need? We're gonna handcuff you.
Don't fight. Remove this hand.
Pull your arm out of your sleeve here, brother. Pull your arm out, sir.
Arm out.
Come on, I need your arm out. Let me check you out, okay?
Arm out of your sleeve here. Here you go. Right here.
That's the one that's good enough.
Try to
Okay,
relax
one's
for
good.
me, all right, buddy?
Okay.
We just got him out of the car and
He's passing out right now.
No.
Okay.
He said he was starting to feel like he's gonna pass out. He said he has cardiomyopathy. He's getting pretty worked up when I was putting him in the car.
Oh,
So,
okay. Gotcha. Just get a blood pressure on.
So he asked me to call an ambulance for him.
your finger, bro.
Hey, can you lift your head up for me so you can talk to me?
Lift your head up.
Hey, lift your head up.
You can't.
Why?
You can't sit your head up.
Why can't you lift your head up?
Hold on.
Primary officer, B+. Valid stop, proportionate escalation, immediate medical response. Deduction. No early advisement of obstruction consequences. An informal language on a recorded encounter. Subject C did not physically resist, disclosed his medical condition. But the false identity was intentional and on camera admitted. Under Hiibel and state statute, no legal basis existed for that choice. Secondary officer, A-. Sound scene control. Supervisor request handled correctly. EMS coordination. Effective. Minor deduction for informal tone only. 2 lessons. First, under Hiibel, identity disclosure is a legal obligation. Lying does not protect against civil exposure. It adds criminal liability on top. Second, the duty of care under Revere is unconditional. Medical need in custody must be addressed regardless of prior conduct. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam.